Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Face Dominic. Okay, today's video we're gonna create a client transformation video, and I'm using this gorgeous model named Princess. Saying hi to you guys. So the foundation I'm gonna use in this video is the Laura, the Ezekiel, and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I mix those three shades together. No, I don't mix it together. I'm gonna use the Ezekiel first. I'm just trying this method. It's really nice. I've seen people doing it on YouTube. I just say, hey, let me just try it out. Okay, so I'm using the Ezekiel right now, and the Ezekiel is really dark. Understand? The essence of using it, according to them, is like to hide the dark spot, and it's like a color corrector. Understand? It's really good. It will just help to just build the face the way you want it to be. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just using the black all over the place. The Ezekiel is cocoa, as in it's really dark, and it's not shade. I know that. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me right now. You know that one have the red undertone. That is why I really love it. I'm just buffing into a face using my beauty sponge to just blend it in just like that. But this option is, please, if you are not comfortable with using much product like this, you don't need to use it. Okay, because I noticed that I really waste my product, and I did not get the words. I did not really get any special look out of it. Okay, like my regular makeup. So you must not do this. Okay, so I'm just applying the foundation. Let me just allow you guys to just wash and line. So for concealer, I'll be using the HT concealer palette. Understand? So this is the jam I really started from. I waste my concealer, guys. I really waste my concealer. Understand? But of the truth, I'm not gonna advise you to do this look. I'm just telling you, just do your regular makeup. Don't do this, please. Okay, so because I'm alighting, I use what they normally do is to alight and use another lighter shade to alight more. Just the lighter it be, just like that. Just alight more. That is just it. Maybe it's me that don't do it very well, but I'm still lighting right now, just to alight. I'm just following the process on how they do it in their tutorial, so that is what I'm doing right now. But this, I'm not regretting it. Okay, because it makes the face to be snatched. I don't know, it make the look to be very heavy, as in you can use this look for the full day, like full day, to not go anywhere. That's just it. You will not go anywhere, and it's full coverage. Full coverage. When I mean full coverage, is full coverage. Understand? But nothing, you're just wasting a product. I can't lie to you, wasting a product. Okay, so but if you want to do something different in your look, maybe you can still learn the technique and just learn one or two things from it. Okay, so I'm just blending using my beauty sponge to just blend the concealer that I used to highlight her face. So I'm going to set her face using the ZK foundation palette. I'm using that shade over there to set her face. Understand? I need to set this before contouring. Understand? So I'm just setting the highlighted part of her face. So that's just it. I'm not doing much thing in there, just to set only the highlighted part of her face. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just baking right now. I'm using the Laura, the Sacha Buttercup to bake. I'm using a darker shade to bake. Understand? I'm using my beauty sponge to just apply it in the highlighted part. That is the side that I'm baking. Okay, so and just the under eye. No, I just bake where I apply the concealer on. Okay. Okay, moving to brows, I'm using the JB Brow Pencil to draw a brow, the shade 18 and the shade 3. I use the shade 3 to draw the brow line, and I use the shade 18 to fill it in. Okay, so if you want to learn the brow tutorial, I have a very detailed brow tutorial on my channel. Just go ahead and check it out, okay? So I'm highlighting the brow using the Milani foundation in the shade Chestnut, okay, to highlight her brows. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm not gonna highlight the top part of her brows. I'm just highlighting where you are seeing right now, okay. So I just bake more, then I'm setting the electric part of her face. I just use the Laura Mercier A setting powder to just bake a bit more so that you still catch eyeshadow fallout. Okay, so for eyeshadow I'm using the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. My model, she's enjoying herself. Okay, so after that I just blend the leftover concealer on her face, and I'm just using my brush, just type the brown shade over there, the coffee brown over there, as an eyeshadow base before going to my glinters. So I'm lining my lip using the lip line and the, is it a brown liner? Yes, a brown liner to line a lip. So I'm using that nude shade for a lip from Morphe. Okay, so after that I asked her to blend it together. So this is what I'm gonna explain in this video. Watch the rest part, okay, and learn one or two things. Please also subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, so just drop the comments. I know this video is not just the best, but still drop the comment, okay.